how to convert 0.375 to a fraction. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting. So you are getting, after skipping decimal, we are getting this number. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, we have to consider 10. After decimal, we have 3 digits. So we have to write 3 tens as a multiplication, of course. Now we need to reduce this fraction or simplify this fraction. How to do that? To simplify this fraction in one step, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor after finding the greatest common factor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then we need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, so 5 is a common factor. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. This is divisible by 5, the last digit is 0. So I'll get 2 here, and I will get what? I will get 75 if I divide this by 5. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. I will get 2 here, and I will get 15 here. Again, this is divisible by 5, I will get 2, this is divisible by 5, I will get 3. Now we are getting 3, then 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. So 0.375 to a fraction is this 3, 8.